As we age, muscle loss becomes an increasingly prevalent concern, silently eroding our strength and independence, especially for those in their 70s and 80s. This phenomenon, known as sarcopenia, is associated with a decline in both muscle mass and function, leading to significant health risks, such as falls, fractures, and decreased mobility. However, groundbreaking research from Harvard Medical School has unveiled some promising news for older adults. Certain foods contain unique compounds that can help preserve and even rebuild muscle mass, offering hope in the fight against muscle wasting. In this enlightening discovery, scientists have identified 10 essential foods that seniors should incorporate into their diets to combat age-related muscle loss. Among these, one food has been shown to be especially powerful, even outperforming prescription medications in clinical trials. This miracle food has been found to inhibit muscle wasting in 90% of study participants within just 6 weeks, showcasing its ability to slow down and potentially reverse the effects of aging on muscle tissue. But it's not the only muscle-preserving food worth noting. The research has highlighted 9 other foods that can make a significant impact on maintaining and rebuilding muscle mass, offering a natural and effective solution for seniors. So, let's dive into these top 10 foods and explore the science behind how they work to preserve muscle health, as well as practical tips for incorporating them into daily meals. The food that garnered attention in the study is lean beef, a powerhouse source of high-quality protein that's vital for muscle repair and growth. It's rich in amino acids like leucine, which directly stimulates muscle protein synthesis, and it contains creatine, a compound that has been shown to enhance muscle strength and endurance. The high bioavailability of protein in lean beef makes it an excellent choice for seniors looking to preserve or rebuild muscle mass. Whey protein, another essential food on the list, has been scientifically proven to be an effective supplement for muscle growth. It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids, and it's easily absorbed by the body, providing the necessary building blocks for muscle repair. Consuming whey protein can significantly boost muscle protein synthesis, helping to counteract the natural decline in muscle mass associated with aging. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which play a crucial role in muscle preservation. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation, which can interfere with muscle recovery and growth. Additionally, omega-3s have been shown to increase muscle protein synthesis, making fatty fish an excellent choice for seniors looking to maintain their muscle strength. Nuts and seeds, including almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, are packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, and essential minerals. These nutrient-dense foods support overall muscle health by providing the body with the nutrients needed to repair and rebuild muscle tissue. Their combination of protein and healthy fats makes them an ideal snack or addition to meals. Beans and legumes, such as lentils, chickpeas, and black beans, are plant-based sources of protein that can help meet daily protein requirements without the need for animal products. They also offer fiber, which supports digestive health and helps maintain a healthy weight, both of which are important for preserving muscle mass. Eggs, often considered one of the most complete protein sources, are loaded with high-quality protein and essential amino acids that are crucial for muscle recovery and growth. Eggs also contain vitamin D, which plays a significant role in muscle function and strength. Incorporating eggs into the diet regularly can help seniors maintain their muscle health and prevent age-related muscle loss. Olive oil, a staple of the Mediterranean diet, is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants that help protect muscles from oxidative stress and inflammation. It's also been shown to support muscle function and repair, making it a valuable addition to any meal. Including olive oil in daily cooking can help preserve muscle strength and function over time. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are packed with antioxidants, which help reduce oxidative stress, a key factor in muscle aging and breakdown. These antioxidants protect muscle cells from damage and promote recovery, allowing muscles to rebuild and regenerate. Berries are also rich in vitamins and fiber, making them an excellent addition to any anti-aging diet. Leafy green vegetables, such as spinach, kale, and collard greens, are nutrient-dense and provide essential vitamins and minerals, including calcium, magnesium, and potassium. These nutrients are important for muscle function, as they help maintain proper muscle contractions and prevent cramps. The high fiber content of leafy greens also supports digestive health, ensuring the body can absorb all the nutrients necessary for muscle maintenance. Greek yogurt, rich in protein and probiotics, is another powerhouse food for seniors. The protein in Greek yogurt helps support muscle repair, while the probiotics promote gut health, which is crucial for overall well-being. The healthy bacteria in Greek yogurt also supports the immune system, which can help prevent illnesses that might compromise muscle strength. Including Greek yogurt in the diet can help seniors meet their daily protein needs while promoting a healthy gut microbiome. Now that we've explored the top 10 foods that can help seniors preserve and rebuild muscle mass, it's important to understand the science behind how these foods work. Each of these foods contains key nutrients that play a role in muscle repair, growth, and maintenance. Protein, in particular, is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue, while healthy fats and omega-3 fatty acids help reduce inflammation and promote muscle regeneration. Antioxidants protect muscle cells from oxidative damage, while vitamins and minerals support overall muscle function and strength. By consuming a balanced diet rich in these muscle-preserving foods, seniors can take proactive steps to counteract the natural decline in muscle mass that occurs with aging. But knowing what to eat is only part of the equation. How you incorporate these foods into your daily meals also matters. Practical tips for incorporating these foods into your diet include adding lean beef or fatty fish to your meals a few times a week, blending whey protein into smoothies or shakes, and snacking on nuts and seeds between meals. Beans and legumes can be incorporated into soups, stews, and salads, while eggs can be used in a variety of dishes, from scrambled eggs to omelets. Olive oil can be used in cooking or drizzled over salads, and berries can be added to smoothies, yogurt, or eaten as a snack. Leafy greens can be used in salads, sandwiches, or as a side dish, and Greek yogurt can be enjoyed on its own or paired with fruit and nuts. These simple dietary changes can make a significant impact on preserving and rebuilding muscle mass, helping seniors maintain strength and independence as they age. In conclusion, age-related muscle loss doesn't have to compromise your quality of life. By incorporating these 10 powerful muscle-preserving foods into your diet, you can take control of your muscle health and improve your overall well-being. Whether you're a senior looking to stay strong and independent or a caregiver seeking ways to support your loved ones, these dietary changes can make a world of difference. Don't wait until muscle loss becomes a bigger issue. Start making these changes today and experience the benefits of stronger, healthier muscles for years to come. So, if you're ready to take charge of your health and preserve your muscle mass, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Health Guide for more life-changing health tips and the latest breakthroughs in senior wellness.